Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to insert formula in Google Sheets for our entire column. So first we're going to open our Google Sheets. Then as you can see there is the range of data. Then if you want a 15% tax on that data, all you have to do is insert a formula. So this formula will be equal to 15 times the column and row of what we want to multiply it with, which is C4. Then I'm going to click on enter. So you guys could autofill it as it's suggested. But if you want to enter it manually, all you have to do is copy the first result by clicking on Ctrl and C, then pasting it downwards, which is Ctrl plus V. So as you can see, we entered the formula on the first cell. Then we're going to copy it and paste it downwards. So this is how you do it. It's a very simple step. Make sure to also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.